Hello everyone, my name is Zyan, and today I'm going to show you my neat and clean health kit. This is my care kit, and I bring my care kit wherever I go. Let's see what objects that I put inside. First up is my comb. The comb removes tangles on my hair. The next one is my hair clips or bows and hair ties. The bows, hair clips, and hair ties, they help my hair not to go to my face. The next one is the wet wipes. Wet wipes help me wipe dirt out of my hands and face. The next one is my hand sanitizer. My hand sanitizer makes my hands germ-free so that no germs can go to my hands. Here's the next one. The next one is the towel. We use the towel to wipe sweat out of my back or in my body. Last up is my cologne. My cologne makes me smell good and fresh. This is my neat and clean kit. Thanks for watching. Bye.